Hi, I'm Jamie Chapple, and I'm the HR Advice Team Manager here at Peninsula. Capability is the employee's ability to perform their job and looks at their qualifications, skills, and aptitude relevant to their position. If you identify a performance issue with someone, you should arrange an informal meeting with them as soon as possible to investigate the cause of the difficulty. If the poor performance is linked to a disability, reasonable adjustments should be considered as part of a separate medical capability process. Similarly, if the employee won't do something rather than can't do something, they can be managed under normal disciplinary rules. But for employees who are genuinely struggling with their role, maybe because they don't have a lot of experience or technical skills, you can follow a capability procedure. At the informal meeting, set out performance targets, the timeframe for achieving them, and a review date. Make sure you provide them with training and support so they have everything they need to achieve these goals. At the review date, assess whether the performance targets have been met. If they didn't meet the targets, you can proceed to hold a formal capability meeting. Direct them to your policy on this so they're prepared for what will happen and the possible outcomes. After the meeting, confirm the outcome in writing and give the employee the right to appeal your decision. You may need to continue with identifying performance issues and setting out the targets.